thank you
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
You're the best, brother. He has 500 pesos.
Thank you very much, sir.
Next, Dindo. Come here, Dindo.
Spaghetti.
I know. Dindo.
Thank you, sir. Merry Christmas, ma'am.
Hinaya lang ng kuan.
May bat, ma'am.
Nipis ka
Now
ayo.
drinking over there, yeah? Go.
So, ko na. So,
Video na.
Come here. Come here.
Awag
Come
na
here.
na.
Hollywood.
Awag agla na.
Come here. Oh, thank you.
Glena, out.
All right.
Proxy. Thank you, sir. It's Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Thank you, wife of sister of Philip. They are living there. Philip is in Cebu, sir, again.
All right, who's next?
GR.
Yeah. They said he was lazy, but you're not lazy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man. Keep working hard.
We do it next with, Wendy.
Renjay. Thank you so much, man.
Ang inang pa na,
Get on.
Ito na kasi dito. Yeah, the brother of Dodo. Yeah, he does.
Thank you, Alan. Thank you so much.
Sir, may partner sa upstairs. Yeah, the good one.
Salamat.
Next is Leo.
Leo.
Leo from...
I know Leo.
Wala pa, ma'am.
I already gave him the money. And Salamat, Randy.
Thank you, sir.
Merry Christmas. Uh-oh.
Wala na eh.
See.
Kaya,
Thank you. Keep working hard.
Wilito, sir, Glenn.
Who?
Wilito, may, may...
Wilito.
may partner.
Yeah.
Report.
This is the man that has some common sense.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's the best.
Yeah, thank you.
And the last one, sir, Glenn, is Kim.
I mean, last one.
No, they have not yet arrived.
Oh, okay.
They will gonna come later.
Gonna get cheese?
Kim.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it, sir, Glenn.
Who's this guy?
It's from swimming pool side. This is our neighbors.
But he's working.
Yeah, in swimming pool.
What's your name? Oh, you're the one with the clog on.
It's like a ghost. You cannot see him in
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Even in 4 times, sir, Glenn. 4 times. Pouring times. That's my, number 1 thing in pouring times.
That's why you're my foreman.
They are just making them.
Tell her to come.
Yeah. It's fine as long as, well, it's all good. By later, sir, Glenn, I'm just gonna,